Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an English first paper class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Unit 6, Lesson 6 discussions. So, let's see, my dear students. So, class 8, subject English first paper. This is the English first paper. English first paper. Topic Unit 6, Lesson 6 discussion. Term annual. Lecture-06 SW will be 5. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, let's start our today's class. So, as you can see, our today's topic is Unit 6, Lesson 6. Announcements on board annual term lecture 6. So read the text and answer questions 1 and 2. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. Monitored means checked. In the event of a lack of oxygen, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. Pull the mask towards you. Place it firmly over your nose and mouth. So this is the announcement on board on aeroplane. Secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask first, then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. That is, lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust at the front. To inflate or to increase the vest, pull firmly on the red cord before you leave the aircraft. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you all an enjoyable flight. So my dear students, let's do number 1. Choose the correct answer to each questions from alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your answer scripts. Number A, the word monitored in line 1 of the text means record, mentioned, checked, changed. So monitored in this passage means checked. The word appear in line 2 of the text means seen, present, prepare, given. So the appear means present in this passage. An oxygen mask will automatically appear, will automatically present. So we're moving to next space. Number C, the word lack means wanting, shortage, leave, addition. So lack means shortage. Shortage means lack. Number D, the word pull means picture, print, turn, draw. So pull the mask. So pull the mask means draw something. Draw the mask. Number E, the word require means help, cooperate, need, demand. So require means need, necessity. Number F, the word assistance means cooperation, assimilation, help, prayer. So assistance means help. The word emergency means expectancy, that's come from expectation, critically, exigency, existence. So emergency means exigency. The word ensure means convince, certify, rectify, make sure. So ensure means make sure. The word assume in line 6 of the text means prove, declare, consider, cover. So assume means consider. The word inflate in line 10 of the text means decrease, destroy, deepen, increase. So the word inflate means increase. So SW5, your SW5 submit on Saturday. Unit 6, lesson 6, question answer. Part of the question answer, I am giving the question answer. Number 2, answer the following questions from a reading of the above text. Number A, what should a passenger read before takeoff? Number B, what are the passengers requested to do in the event of emergency? Number C, how long a passenger will keep the mask? Number D, when will an oxygen mask appear before a passenger? So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assignment SW at home and submit on Saturday. So thanks for watching this video. Keep practicing at home. Avoid your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.